Yay.
Okay, that's it.
That's it for tonight.
You're taking pictures, Travis. I'm recording a video. Looks a lot better.
Send video, okay?
Are you posting it on Facebook?
I'm not gonna. I will put it up on Facebook. Is that allowed tonight? Yeah. Or tomorrow, or Thursday, or Friday.
I like it.
I do too.
Well, I can't send pictures of any kind anyway, or videos, so, or receive them, so it sucks.
Well, no, like, I don't want to. I can't send videos. Ooh, wow. That's right. I ripped one of those off in my neighborhood park. Everyone got so mad. I did it at like midnight. Ah, right. It broke my boat. Whoa.
It's covered by the cloud. It's not helping.
Oh, great. We're going to do the gunfire.
Yes, gunpowder.
Smell of that. It's smoking powder already.
It's because of the smoke.
You can see them. You just can't see very good photos.
Yeah, so you can't get good videos either. Yep. I'll have to do it again tomorrow. It was a lollipop. How are you today, Dennis? You seen the show?
Yeah. All the smoke's heading this way.
It's also, yeah, I know the wind's blowing this way, and it's also blocking the fireworks. The wind changes perfect timing, right?
Ooh.
Ah.
Oh.
Ooh. So far, they're a 2.5 minute show, or almost 3 minute show. It's like
4 minutes or 5 minutes?
there should be like a firework that like eats smoke.
I know, the more smoke around.
The bigger the flash.
It's going to smell here pretty soon. It's coming right at us.
We're gonna wake up suffocating.
Oh, that's cool.
I wonder if you can actually see these.
I know, right?
You have to try again tomorrow night. Maybe the wind will shift for tomorrow.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I'll just do it every day of the week. It's okay. As long as it doesn't like kill my battery. I still have like 5 bars left. There goes the fish.
Fish was checking it out too.
I'm like, what is this?
Yeah.
Try the same damn fish all day.
It just moves around. I'm still here. Catch me if you can.
There it is.
Oh, there we go.
Finale.
Ooh, that one was low.
People were avoiding that.
This is really light on my phone. It's like brighting up.
There's your finale.
Yeah. I couldn't see it.
Yeah. We've
I just
seen,
watched this for the last 7 nights.
we've just seen it every night. Woo!
Down in front.
Not you guys, fire.